Hello from Phoenix. We're standing at West Glen. It's at 9th Avenue in Glendale. I want to just describe to you a little bit about the area that the property sits in. So to understand the area, you have to understand how Phoenix was developed. Developers came to Phoenix, infrastructure was built quickly, it was a very opportunistic time, and Phoenix was built on a grid system, which is very rare. We don't have a lot of winding, twisting roads. Everything's very straight and organized. It starts with Central. Central is a street that runs north and south, and everything that runs across it has names, and everything that runs vertical has either avenues or streets. Everything to the west of Central is an avenue running larger and larger in numbers, and everything to the east of Central is a street running larger and larger numbers. We start at 1 and go into the hundreds. So literally, Central is the middle of the city, and Glendale is one of the major east-west thoroughfares. There's only a handful of them that run fully east and west that bring the east city together with the west city, and Glendale is one of those thoroughfares. So we are literally on Main and Main. We're just 1 mile off. Every 8 blocks, every 8 streets creates 1 mile. So we're at 9th Avenue. We're just 1 mile off of Glendale, or 1 mile off of Central Avenue corridor. So you can imagine we're right in the heart of the city. Just to the south of us is Midtown area, and beyond that is our downtown corridor. Everything is funneled in through Central Avenue, so all the hip, cool restaurants are right along Central. Because Phoenix was developed so quickly, we had something here called urban sprawl. So developers came here, including my father, as an opportunistic venture. They came to develop land. A lot of them came from Chicago or New York, and they came here to develop. Instead of going vertical, they had all this land because Phoenix is so large, so they built out. That's called urban sprawl. And they tried to do it cheap, so they built with a lot of stick and stucco. So everything is very vanilla or plain looking, and there's only a few corridors in the city that have very special architecture and very cool hip urban feel. The Central Corridor has that. It's very charming. It has old roots, very large estates, a lot of grass and land, which is uncommon to find because they built zero lot lines very close so they could pack max density on their development. So here we have Central and Central, and we have these great big grand estates that are lived in by a lot of judges and lawyers and people that have prestigious jobs in the capital that live along that corridor, and they've lived here, and their estate has been in the family for years and will continue for years. The architect